video, we are going to solve the Excel sheet column number problem. So what is the problem? So we are given A, then we have to output 1, B, then 2, and like that, Z equal to 26. So AA means 27. After Z, it will be AA, AB, then AZ, then BA, so like that. So how we will solve this problem? So if we are given A, then we should output 1. It's just simple. So we should consider the ASCII character if we are given A only. But what if we are given AA? We will use hexadecimal. So let's say we have YZ. So how we will solve this? So we will use hexadecimal. So what is Y? Y means 25. 25 into, and 26 is the 26 is a number of characters in A to Z, and 1 is the value. It is a value 0, it is a value 1. So, and Z is 26. 26 into 26, 0. So it is a value 0. So 25 into 26 plus 26 into 1. So it will be some answer. So in this way we can solve this problem. In this video, we are going to solve the Excel sheet column number problem. So what is the problem? So we are given a column title as appears in Excel sheet, and we should return the corresponding column number. If it appears A, then we should return 1, B 2, C 3, Z is 26, and A is 27, AB is 28. If it is BA, then it is 53, I guess. So let's solve this problem. If it is ZY, then it is 701. We will code in Python. Let's take a variable result. So we will take each letter like A, B. For I in S, we will take the ASCII character of each letter. Order of I minus order of A. A is the base plus 1. So we are taking the ASCII character. Then result, we are appending it to result. Res into 26 means there is 26 letter plus D, and we will return the result. Let's run the code. It's running, and let's submit the code. So it got accepted, and it have a time complexity of order of n, as we are taking all the characters, and you beat 82.56 of Python submission. I think it is a good solution. I hope this solution helps. Thanks.